Hi, this is Dana from The Oil Shift. So today we're going to talk about a little thing, which is not such a little thing to a lot of people. This is Dana from The Oil Shift. So today I want to tell you a really great way to use eucalyptus oil. Guys, this is Dana from The Oil Shift. Today I'm going to talk to you about skincare. Hi, Merry Christmas. This is Dana.
And Kyrie.
And we're from The Oil Shift. Hi guys, this is Dana from The Oil Shift. Hi, this is Dana from The Oil Shift. Hi, my name's Dana from The Oil Shift, and this is my daughter Kyrie. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you another tip. Hi guys, this is Dana from The Oil Shift. I just wanted to give you a little update on that oil spray. Hi, I'm Dana from The Oil Shift, and this is my daughter Kyrie. Hi, this is Dana from The Oil Shift, and this is my daughter Kyrie. And Chanton, my son, is videoing for us today. So today I got this inspiration. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you a couple uses for lemon essential oil. Hi guys, this is Dana from The Oil Shift.
Thank you for watching my channel trailer. Here's a little of my journey and my intention for all that I want to share with you. I have always been drawn to natural remedies and the wisdom and solutions that nature holds. When I was a little girl, I just loved dandelions. Adults around me said, they're bad, they're weeds. I remember thinking, but why and who says? What makes a flower bad? I thought they were so beautiful in the symmetry and they're just so perfect. And if you blow on them, all your wishes can come true. As an adult, I've learned you can actually make a tea of dandelion, which supports and strengthens your liver. Nature is just so amazing. In ancient times, and even now in many places around the world, in tiny villages, people find all their solutions in nature, and they use every part of the plant, and they waste nothing. There is so much wisdom in Mother Nature, and I believe answers for everything. For me, the oil shift is making that shift back to nature, living more pure and simple and healthy. And I believe when we give our bodies what it needs, our bodies heal themselves. I have been an esthetician for over 20 years, and I have used many beautiful skincare lines. I love learning how different parts of plants can benefit and support our skin and our bodies. In 2012, I began to really dive deeper into the world of essential oils for all aspects of my and my family's health and well-being, because one of my best friends, she sent me this little tiny wooden box in the mail, and it had all these little tiny vials of oils in them, and I had no idea what I truly had at that time. The next thing I got was a family physician's kit in the mail, which I learned how to basically change everything out that I had in my medicine cabinet and to use the oils instead. I learned that by rubbing oils on the bottoms of my children's feet and mine as well, and diffusing them, I could use the same oils that plants use for defense. I could use these oils to defend and strengthen and protect our immune systems as well. Learning how to use the oils on my children has really been empowering for me as a mom. It's like I can add this extra layer of protection for them. And also just spending that time with them before they go to sleep, when they wake up in the morning, has just been really priceless. And as I've used the oils on them through the years, as they're growing up, they ask for the oils by name as well when they need something. My genuine interest and love for these oils have really helped me to learn so much about the oils through the past 8 years. And I just get really excited to teach people, give people tools so that they can empower themselves with the gifts of the earth, this natural gift that we have, that we can help take care of ourselves, our family, our friends, and loved ones. It's really fun just to help people with the oils and natural remedies and hear stories of relief and happiness. And to think it all started with those little box of oils. We're doing push-ups, 50 cups of peppermint tea.
Your legs feel like they want to go for a walk when you want to sleep, or it feels like there's little bugs crawling underneath your skin.
Back to our jumping jacks.
The Google spinner. And
now for the hack that's really big and supports your respiratory system, so it's great to do before your HIIT workout or any time in the day when you. And then I just kind of cruise it back.
So it's really nice. And your incline press, same thing, we'll do. So if you're ever like feeling super stressed or overwhelmed and frustrated, these are two good oils to use. We have our little Mimi doggy break. Today we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Just really work and get the circulation going. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So actually I didn't do 7, but I did 22. When Mimi gets some stomach issues, we pretty much always know because she starts eating grass.
I love this company so much, doTERRA, for who they are, how they care and respect nature and the wisdom that nature holds, and wanting to keep that pure, potent, and protected.
Right from the beginning, having a completely pure essential oil was everything to us. Essential oils that you purchase on the open market today are either going to be synthetic or they're going to be engineered. Our focus was that you can't improve on Mother Nature and you shouldn't try.
We knew that we had to find a better way. We had to ensure the purity, the potency of these essential oils coming from the plant. We had to make sure that we became the stewards of nature, that they became unchanged as nature produces them.
It wasn't something that we just thought about that was clever or what would happen if we did this. We really felt like that this was a path that we needed to follow, we wanted to follow, but that was really needful in the marketplace.
Interested in having the purest, most powerful, most potent, highest quality essential oils that you could have. But in the process, we're also very interested in doing good in the world.
I realize that these oils have a mission that goes far beyond any of us, that they were put on this earth for a purpose, for our healing. It's an amazing vehicle that we have to allow individuals to recognize their value.
Physicians who become more and more aware of the therapeutic potency of these essential oils as we move toward the future of modern healthcare will begin utilizing them in the clinical setting.
That is what it's all about. It's not about personal wealth or personal achievements. There's something we can do here to help, to give back.
I just think the whole planet is being lifted by this company, and it makes it so easy to be passionate because I know that every step of the way it's lifting someone, it's blessing someone, it's a light to someone.
What really needs to be understood is that our model is really focused on two things. It's focused on getting the best and helping the most.
That's our goal, that's our objective, is to make everyone a better human being. With that, they start to dream again. They go out in the world, they do great things. Pretty soon, the impact is happening with millions of lives.
As I look back at all my journals and all my goals since 2012, I was blown away to see that they all say the same thing. It's the same goals. It hasn't wavered. It's share doTERRA, create the oil shift, create a positive connection, a website that has everything about health and wellness and all about these amazing oils. If you like learning tips and habits and just different facts and ways to integrate doTERRA essential oils into your life, please support me by helping me grow this channel by liking and engaging in conversation with me and with other people so that we can all help each other on this journey as we make a shift to living a more naturally healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much, and you make it a great day.
It's been wonderful making this video for you, and thank you very much, and you guys make it a great day. Bye-bye. It's really easy. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. You guys make it a great day. And you guys make it a great day. Thanks. You take care and have a great day. Merry Christmas. Bye. And come back to the Oil Shift, and we'll always have lots of new information about doTERRA oils and ways that you can use oils to shift your life into a healthier lifestyle. Thank you. And remember, every day, take a little time out to treat yourself and love yourself and just do some self-care. Okay, you make it a great day. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye. And I enjoyed making this video for you, and you guys make it a great day and stay well. Thanks. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in, and you make it a great day. Bye. I appreciate you. Make it a great day. So I hope you guys like this. You make it a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye. This could be something that could help your pet as well. We know that it helps Mimi a lot. Thanks a lot. You have a great day. Take care. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.